But whoever gets the keys first gets to fly it. Alright, homicide?
Yeah, as long as I get the cartel.
You can jump in. I just want to fly
We
it.
can use that helicopter to take the cartel, so if we die, we don't lose anything.
Oh, how many lockpicks? Fuck.
I do. Haha.
You know, give me some. Make this fair, bitch.
Nope.
Fucking
Just
motherfucker
cover
with
me,
the shit,
cover
dude.
me, just cover me.
Hey, you
Can't
guys,
fly.
you guys need to pick me up, alright?
Man, I want to top it, bro. This is money.
But
Yeah,
can't fly it, though?
we're gonna go. You're gonna drop me in off in cartels with the.
Okay.
We're just gonna cap the cartel first, the moonshine.
Oh my god, I did it again. Of course you are. You're the owner, right?
I am.
We're good fucking chat, dude.
Was the only vendor licensed to sell water at the rave, and you sold over 52,000 bottles.
I haven't seen the final figures.
At
Damn,
$10
$52,000 bottles.
Let's go now.
$500 million in one
Wow.
night. Councilman Phillips, did you give the order to shut off the water fountains to force people to buy your water? And are you aware that had those water fountains been working, Jenny Evans would still be alive?
Without evidence, this court
Mistake.
baseless accusations at this witness, who is not, may I remind.
Well, hurry up and get that already.
Yeah, homicide. I would've gone on first try, dude.
I don't have
Give me one. Watch, I'll do my first try.
I did get a subpoena for Councilman Phillips' hard drive, and I would like
Are you killing people over there, Mystic? I can hear you shoot from over
Yeah, I can
here.
hear him shooting as well.
He called me broke because I was back.
Can you hear this? Listen, Mystic.
Yeah.
Did you threaten
Oh, he just combat locked the guy he just killed.
who is also the most perfect fiance on earth?
I need to go, like, the hospital.
Use your man. Are you playing
What?
Tanoa?
I'm
Oh
getting
my God, are you
it.
kidding me? I don't got keys.
Never mind, broke.
Wow, I got one left, bro.
Give it to me. No. Actually, give me lockpicks.
Oh shit!
I changed my FOV so it's a little bit more.
Bro, there's cops here?
No, I
No,
jumped
you
and then.
jumped the thing in once, like 20 feet in the air.
Oh, there's a cop.
There is?
Yep. Watch out.
Where? Did you get it, home zone?
No, not yet. Fuck, I hope I get it.
Hands up or be chased.
Kill him. Where is he?
I didn't get it, bro.
Where is he?
I didn't get none.
Oh, man, shot.
I see
Where are you
him.
shooting from?
I see him.
Behind you.
Yeah.
He's behind
Actor, do you
us.
have any lockpicks?
No.
Fuck.
Time to get out of here.
He's right where you at, Actor. Watch out.
Someone get the car and pull it around.